about it.
Let's backtrack a little bit. What is the difference between common law and civil law?
Okay. It's a very complicated. It would take forever for us to go through what it is. Let me walk you through. Let me tell you like the crux of the issue. Think common law, civil law is very top down. So in civil law, you cannot do anything unless you were you were specifically told that you can't do it. Common law is do until there is a problem. And then wherever the problem, we get together, and then, the judges come together and we can judge the situation. And then from that judgment, a precedent is built for next time, right? Where the civil law, it's anything that's not in the law is not allowed. Now think about it. One is very good for entrepreneurs trying to innovate,